Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Cancers. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy. This is for your daily energy, Cancers. This is for your career situation, and this is for your love reading, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle Guidance deck. So one card from this deck, that is the general guidance, guys, what we can follow to make things go in a harmonious way in our life, guys. So let's start with the daily reading, Cancers. It's 8 of Wands. So with this card, guys, I see here that you are taking up some great undertaking, maybe in your career or your personal life, something which you are which will make you more responsible. You are putting in lots of efforts and it is progressing towards something positive, guys. So that growth and progress is there in this with this card. So you are seeing growth in your career situation or personal life. Maybe you have taken up some important projects, some financial deals, some collaborations, maybe something moving towards success, guys. And also same way in your personal life, it may mean that you are stepping in with a greater responsibility in this relationship, guys. So you have that love towards this person and you want to deepen this connection. You want to have that deep communication with this person. That is what I see with this card, Cancers, for your daily energy. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's 10 of Wands in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, you may be seeing some obstacles, guys, maybe in the way of taking up anything new. You need to make lot of efforts. Only when you make lot of efforts, you are able to have that success or make things go in the right way. So that is what I see with this card. So you are making tremendous efforts here, guys. Let us see what is the card for your personal life situation, relationship. So with this card, you may have that understanding with this person, love may be there, but still they may feel that you are dominating in some ways, guys. They may feel that you are a control freak, maybe. So you want to control how things are going, and they have love for you, but they do not want this control. They do not like this control. That is what I see. This may be your energy towards this connection or their energy towards this connection, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily reading. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. It is Yin. So this card stands for receptivity, guys, in our situation. So sometimes in life we cannot always be in a position where we keep giving, maybe giving something or giving counsel, ideas, suggestions, making important decisions. Sometimes we have to let someone else make that first move or make that choice or some decisions. So this card stands for that conscious allowing, guys, that we need to do today. So in our relationship, we have to let that other person take that lead, make that first move. So by yielding that reins to that other person, by allowing that person to tell you what they feel about you or what they feel about this connection, you will be pleasantly surprised. You will know the truth, what is there in their heart of hearts. The same way in your career situation also, when you consciously consciously allow that other person to make that choice. For you can follow their lead. So this is the time for that, guys. So let others come to you, let them come to you with offers, ideas today. So when that happens, you will see that things are moving more smoothly than you expected, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for today, Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.